Selling your home. Another thing you need to understand is how does your HVAC work and how that's going to affect the deal. You got to understand that the most expensive parts of the home, and let's just take the HVAC, like runs anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000. You need to make sure that's in optimal condition and it's within a normal lifespan, and it's going to have a lifespan going forward for the new buyer. The typical lifespan of an HVAC system is about 10 to 12 years. Yes, you might have a nice one and it's been there for 15, 18 years and it's working perfectly fine. Think about this and think about the buyer. If you were buying that home, would you buy a home with an HVAC, a heat pump, or air conditioning gas furnace if it were 15 years old and you knew within the first 2 to 3 years you're probably going to have to buy a new one? Unless you're getting a screaming deal on the house, I don't think so. You need to think about the buyer's mindset, because that's the person who's going to buy your home and what their mindset is, so you can meet them in a meeting of the minds to sell the house. You want to sell their house, they want to give you money for the house, you need to make them happy.